Hello everyone. I'm going to go through again how to access your homework. There's been a little bit of confusion about how to access your online math homework. So again, we're going to go through it step by step. So this is your Canvas course. What you'll want to do is you'll want to click under your modules. So this is where you're going to see all of your homework. Once you're in your modules, click on any homework assignment that you would like to begin. You're only going to have to do this once. So let's say we want to start with our review chapter homework. So I'll click on that. It's going to open up with this screen. You may have a EULA you have to accept first, but you're going to eventually get to this screen. Now, if you don't already have one, you're going to have to create a Pearson account. Most of you will not have a Pearson account. The only reason you would have a Pearson account is if you took one of our online math courses last semester. So if you didn't take an online math course before, you won't have a Pearson account. So if you don't have an account, you're going to have to create an account. This is not linked to your Allen email or Canvas. It's completely different. So you'll click here to create your account. Now, once you're at this screen, you're going to have to fill in with whatever email address you would like to use. You can use your Allen email or you can use a personal email account. You'll have to come up with a username, and you're going to have to come up with your first and your last name, so be sure and type those in correctly. And then you'll create your account. You'll get an email, and you'll finish setting it up. Now let's go back again, and once you've created your account and everything's ready, then you can log in. So you've created your account. Now we'll log in. So again, we'll go back to this screen. You'll use your email that you used to create this account with, and you're going to log in. And then you'll have to welcome, and it's going to tell you what you are. You have to pick out that you're a college student, okay, undergraduate, or whatever role you might be. If you're a high school student or college student, whichever one it might be, put in your month and year of birth. And then we'll add and continue. Now it's going to go ahead and register you for the course. Now, once you have done that, you do not have an access code. You will get an access code from me next week. At Allen, we don't give you the access codes until after the course is started because we have students that withdraw and never use an access code. So it's easier for us, and it keeps us from using codes for students who drop, for you to use a temporary code. So you will get an access code next week. What you need to do in the meantime is you'll scroll down and you'll click right here. Get a temporary access without payment for 14 days. That is what you want. You do not buy a code. Scroll down to the bottom, and this is what you want. Get temporary access without payment. You'll click on that, and it says, are you sure you want to do this? You click yes, and it will load your course. Okay. So once it's loaded, then you can go to your courses. You do not need to get a printed copy of the textbook. We give you a copy. So do not rent the textbook. We give you a copy. Now, once that's done, then you can go to your courses. Well, actually, or just close this out and access your homework. So you can either go to your courses and access it that way, okay, or you can just close that out, go back to your modules, and click on any of your homework assignments. And it'll automatically log you in. Any homework assignment that you go to now will work. So let's say I want to do, I'm ready for the fourth homework assignment. Once you click on it, it's automatically going to link. So you don't have to worry about ever doing this again, just that one time. Next week, I will send you out in an email, in your Canvas email and your Allen email, I will send you out the access codes. All right, but you do not have an access code yet. Do not purchase the access code. Use that temporary access code. Okay, the one at the bottom. Click on that link. It'll register it. Do not rent the textbook. We rent you your textbook in your books and fees. So you do not need to rent the textbook. We send that to you. Now you can proceed to go ahead and complete your homework. While I have you here, I'm also going to show you how to get your gradebook to display correctly. So let's say we want to see our grades. Right? If we go to our gradebook here, this is what it looks like. Right now, it's arranged by due dates. What I recommend, so that it looks correct, so that it's the absolute easiest way to read your gradebook, is what I recommend that you go down and you click Module, Arrange by Module, and you click Apply. This is going to put it in the correct order. That way you see your introductory discussion board is first. That's the first thing you do. And then all of your homework are in the correct order. So again, from the drop-down menu, pick Module and click Apply. That is going to put your grades in the correct order. And I recommend using this setting for all of your Canvas courses. So if you arrange by module, that way it all displays in the correct order, the same way that you see it in your module. And here's your gradebook. And as you start to work through, your grades will automatically update. So hopefully everyone finds this informative. And again, let's reiterate, do not buy an access code. Use that temporary access code at that link, and that's going to get you started. And then how do we change our gradebook? We go into our grades, and from the drop down, you click Module and you click Apply. That is going to sort your gradebook in the best order for all of your courses. So I recommend using that setting, Arrange by Module, for all of your courses. So hopefully everyone finds this informative, and hopefully this helps you understand how to start working in your course.